for winner take all. Gates open, they're up and racing. Gentle Irony draws for your lead. Maypan moving up by the rail second. Then running on the outside third, Deceptions. Getting better is running in the inside. In between runners, Trinity Moon. Santeria running second last while Expecting Caitlin is running at the tail of the field past the last 900. Gentle Irony in command by about 2 lengths. Maypan still in second and racing now in third. Santeria running by the rail, getting better in between runners. Trinity Moon, Deception second last, and Expecting Caitlin still in behind them. Routing towards the last 450. Gentle Irony with the rider Jackie John B. Cordera still with tight range in front by about 4 lengths now. Maypan remains in second. Santeria is sorry outside, getting better by the rail. With the last 200 meters more to run, Gentle Irony this time by about 4 lengths over Maypan. Getting better in third, Trinity Moon, Santeria. And finally, from start to finish, the program opener, Gentle Irony, Maypan, Trinity Moon, close between Deceptions. And number 1 getting better, then comes